Good day, children. Hope you are having a safe stay at home. We are now in the lockdown period. We have to keep ourselves very safe at home and we have to stay healthy. We are not supposed to come anywhere or roam about the streets. We have to be at home only. That is the law for our being. Now, on one fine March 17th, Tuesday, do you remember? We said, go home children, tomorrow onwards it's a holiday. That holiday did not stop at all, till date. So it has been nearly around 2.5 months back and still we are in that mood only. 2.5 months more than that, we have not touched our books. We have not touched our pens. We have forgotten how we were in school. So, it is now time to put a big full stop for all that. Is it not, children, time to get ready, to start studying, to improve our knowledge? So now, we have planned something. And one good news, all of you are promoted to the next standard. But, we just like that cannot jump to the next standard. We have to do some basics in the present standard. Now, what have we planned? We have planned to post video classes according to your standard and section. That will not be tedious. You have to watch it. Now, what are you supposed to do when the video classes are posted? Now, this is what you are supposed to do. Listen here. Students, first you have to watch the video carefully and listen to what is being done. Watching and listening. Then you should have perfect concentration, 100% concentration of what is being posted there. You need to understand the concept. So understanding, concentration, watch the video, listen. All this goes together. Once the concept is understood, then no worries at all. That is over with that. Now our work is over. What is your work? You have to do the given homework. After the video classes, we will post a small homework. It can be in the form of true or false, fill in the blanks or short answers, whatever it is. It will be what we have telecasted. So that you have to write it. You must take a piece of paper. Already last year's notebook you will be having. Take a piece of paper. Write your name, standard section in that in one corner and start writing the homework. Children, listen. 2.5 months you have not touched your pen at all. So you have to start writing, listening work, concentration, understanding, writing, all this you have to develop. Now after writing your homework in the paper, you have to post it. Post it in the same group. You have to post it. In the corner of the paper, you have to write your name. So we subject teachers will be checking who has given, who has not submitted. We will be doing that check. And if you have not submitted, we will be calling and asking. So we are there to care for you children. You have to cooperate with us. Is it clear? It is high time for us to study. We cannot leave our studies and be in lockdown forever. We have to bring that to a full stop. So children, now we are not going to load you like in school you'll have 8 periods. Not like that. One day, one subject only. So see here now. All Mondays you'll have English. All Tuesdays Tamil. Wednesdays Maths. Thursday Science. Friday Social Science. So this way we go for standard 6th, 7th and 8th. So this is your schedule what we are going to follow. Now when we say Monday, 6th will have a different class, 7th will have a different class and 8th will have a different class. So that particular teacher who is dealing it, she'll give a homework. So see children, you are completing the homework and you are posting it. So I request the parents also to sit with the students, encourage them to understand the concept what is being taught. Now Monday onwards we are starting. Monday is 25th of May. Monday till Friday 29th will be your first week. Then June 1st till that Friday will be your second week. So week 1 and week 2 we will be doing the basics of your particular standard which is related to the next standard. So we will be doing some basic concept which you need it for the next standard. After 2 weeks over, we will be switching on to your next standard subject. Yes? So children, this is our idea of posting this video classes. Make full use of it and cheer up children, you are studying more and more. You are not going to be idle at home. You are going to study. Is it clear? You should be happy to study. Enough of those lockdown days, enough of staying at home, doing nothing, enough. Now we are getting busier. We have to set ourselves to study. Okay children? All of you are good children. All of you will cooperate and definitely children, you'll improve yourself, right? So I wish all the best to all of you. Please do cooperate. I request all the parents also to sit with the students and help them in the studies. Thank you so much. We will look forward for the Monday's class. Thank you so much.